Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to walk you through the process of transferring money from your Jappy Bank account to a Mizuho Bank account. Whether you are paying bills, sending money to a friend or managing your finances, this guide will help you navigate the process smoothly. So let's get started. There are three primary methods to transfer funds from Jappy Bank to Mizuho Bank. At a Jappy Bank ATM, online via Yoho, direct in person at a Jappy Bank branch. First, let's look at how to transfer funds using a Jappy Bank ATM. Insert your Jappy Bank cash card into the ATM. Select Freecomi for bank transfer. Choose other banks since you are transferring to Mizuho Bank. Enter the recipient bank details. Bank name, branch name, account type, account number, recipient's name in katakana. Enter the amount you wish to transfer, confirm the details and complete the transaction. Remember to keep the receipt for your records. Transfers fee may apply, typically ranging from 220 to 440 yen, depending on the amount and time of the transaction. Next, let's explore how to transfer funds from online using Yocho Direct. Log into your Yocho Direct account, navigate to the Freecomi section, select other banks, enter the recipient's bank details as previously outlined. Input the transfer amount, confirm all details and authorize the transaction using your security credentials. Online transfers are convenient and can be done from the comfort of your home. Ensure your Yocho Direct account is set up beforehand. For more information on setting up Yocho Direct, visit Jappy Bank's official website. If you prefer face-to-face assistance, you can visit a Jappy Bank branch for fill out a Freecomi form with the recipient's bank details. Present the form along with your Jappy Bank passbook or cash card to the teller. Provide identification if requested. The teller will process the transaction and provide you with a receipt. This method is helpful if you are unfamiliar with ATMs or online banking. Staff can assist you with the ATM process. And that's how you can transfer money from your Jappy Bank account to a Mizuho Bank account using various methods. Choose the one that best suits your needs. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more financial tips and tutorials.